This FryOilSaver 7lb lava rock pack offers a dependable way to refresh gas grills and fire pits with natural volcanic stone that holds up well to repeated high heat cycles. The porous rocks spread heat more evenly across grill grates and fire pit surfaces, helping food cook consistently while cutting down on sudden flare-ups from dripping grease. As a filler around burners, the stones do a nice job of disguising metal hardware and gas lines, giving both indoor fireplaces and outdoor fire bowls a more natural finished look. The lava rocks retain warmth for a surprisingly long time after the flame is turned down, so patio heaters and gas fire pits feel cozier without needing to run at full output the entire evening. Because the material does not create smoke or ash on its own, it keeps maintenance simple and avoids the mess associated with traditional wood or crumbly ceramic media. The two-bag configuration and generous total weight make it easy to cover a standard fire feature or medium grill in a single purchase, with enough stone to create a full, attractive bed.